Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share with you the walk-in drive details also that are happening over the weekend. So on this Saturday and Sunday, there are multiple walk-in drives that are happening. So let me share those details with you. So first is the hiring for the QA automation engineer. It is Playwright with TypeScript. So as you are aware, these days, Playwright with TypeScript is coming up in the picture, and people have started using Playwright with TypeScript a lot. So the location is Indore, and the number of years of experience required is 3 to 6. So what you have to do is you would be responsible for building a scalable automation framework, UI plus API, working with Playwright with TypeScript, integrate testing into CI/CD pipelines, ensuring high quality, stable releases, collaborated with dev teams, Agile. So they are looking for somebody who is very strong in Playwright with TypeScript, and this is the email address wherein you can apply. So this is for immediate joiners, right? Then there's a walk-in drive that is happening in Bangalore. So this is for automation test engineer, and they are looking for somebody who can perform the automation robot framework, Python programming, and PyTest knowledge is required. So date is 28th of March, and the timings would be 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Venue is L&T Technologies, right? So it's an L&T campus next to GKVK, and it is Bangalore. Then there's a job opening for Python developer. 3 plus years of experience is required. Required skill set is Django Fast API in Ahmedabad. And here is the email address where you can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA engineers for multiple roles. So this requirement is looking for the automation testers, those who have 4 to 10 years of overall experience. Location is again Bangalore, and you can send your CV resume to tag_Pune at acldigital.com. So the technical competencies that they are looking is for hands-on experience with Selenium, Playwright, scripting languages, proficiency in Python, API testing, somebody who is strong in Postman, Insomnia, or Rest Assured, and familiarity with testing AI interfaces. Then experience in tools like Jira, Zephyr for project and test case management, right? So all these things are required. Then there's a walk-in drive happening in Bangalore again. There's for 3 to 12 years of experience. Role is QA analyst, QA lead. Interview and work location is Bangalore. So skills is functional testing, banking domain testing is mandatory. So you have to carry your updated CV, ID proof, and a copy of this particular post as well. Point of contact is location, and the location is given. It is Yethi Consulting, KR Puram Bridge, right? It is in Bangalore. Okay. Then for Chennai also, there's a walk-in drive, and that is happening on 28th of March. The skills that they are looking is for automation testing, manual testing, product owner, integration test engineer, right? So all these details are there. Now, let me share the further details also with you, so you could get an overall picture of how many hirings are happening. Okay. So this is with respect to Chennai, let me tell you. Hmm. So with respect to Chennai, TCS is the company which is hiring with an experience of 3 to 10 years. So walk-in location is Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, Kolkata, and Hyderabad. The walk-in interview date would be 28th of March. It would be Saturday. And you have to share your updated CV with the below details to this particular email address, right? And you have to share your name, contact number, email ID, qualification, total and relevant experience, current organization, preferred location, notice period, current and expected CTC, previous TCS interview if you have given experience with Tata Group, if you have confirmation of CV attachments, all these things are required. Then there's a requirement for senior QA automation tester. This is location is on-site Pune itself, and it is contract to hire. So for 1 year it would be contract, and then it would be the permanent role. So mandatory skill set is should have 8 plus years of experience in automation, Selenium, Java. So interested people can send their resume to this email address provided here. Then there's a requirement for automation test engineer, Selenium plus Java plus Playwright. Location is Hyderabad. Work mode would be hybrid. Experience is 5 to 7 years. CTC is 10 to 20 LPA based on current package terms. And notice period is immediate or 15 days or first week of April if you can join. right? So there's with respect to Selenium with Java, location is Hyderabad, and interview process would be 2 to 3 rounds would be there. Second round will be face-to-face mandatory, so you have to go there. Then there's a requirement for manual QA engineer, right? See, people are telling manual testing jobs are not there. They are there, but those are limited. So you have to find them and you have to apply. So we are sharing these jobs every day with you, free of cost. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe this channel so that you get these notifications frequently. And whenever we post anything about the jobs, you can take care of the applying. So location is Noida. Notice period is immediate joiners are required. Work mode is 5 days work from office. Okay. So you should have skills in functional testing, API testing, database testing. So these all details are required, and you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then the flyer that we were seeing, right, about the walk-in drive in Chennai. So date is 28th of March, automation testing, manual testing, telematics, Scrum lead and developer, product owner, integration test engineer. So all of these requirements are there. And here is the email address for the same, right? Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer and SDET 3 mobile testing for Gurgaon. So for senior QA engineer, 4 to 6 years of experience in software testing is required. And these are all the technicals skill set that they are expecting you to have. And for SDET 3 experience, 6 to 10 years is required in the software engineering SDET roles with at least 1 to 2 years specializing in AI/ML based automation, right? So these are the requirements. The email address is also provided, rishi@questhiring.com. So these are all the details for the QA for the jobs that are hiring, as well as we shared with you the walk-in drive details as well for this particular weekend. There are many walk-in drives happening because March is the end of the financial year. So you would have compared, if you compare February with March, so February will have more openings, March will have less. Again, April openings will be more, right? It also depends on this particular war-like situation that should also end. So as to business can grow, once business will grow, then automatically the jobs will also grow, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.